Groundwater versus surface water. Which is more sustainable? Water is at the heart of everything we do, from the food we eat to the cities we build and the ecosystems we depend on. Yet when conversations about water sustainability come up, one key question keeps resurfacing. Should we rely more on groundwater hidden beneath our feet, or on surface water flowing through rivers, lakes, and reservoirs? Understanding the strengths and limitations of both is essential for making smart, long-term decisions about our water future. Surface water is the most visible and familiar source. Rivers, lakes, and dams supply water for households, agriculture, industries, and hydropower. One of its biggest advantages is accessibility. Surface water is relatively easy to capture, store, and distribute, especially through reservoirs and canals. It also responds quickly to rainfall, making it a crucial resource during wet seasons. However, this same responsiveness can be a weakness. Surface water is highly vulnerable to climate variability, pollution, evaporation, and seasonal drying. Floods and droughts can rapidly change its availability, and contamination from human activities can make it unsafe without extensive treatment. Groundwater, on the other hand, operates quietly beneath the surface. Stored in aquifers within soil and rock formations, it often provides a more stable and reliable supply, especially in dry regions. Groundwater is naturally protected from evaporation and, in many cases, from surface-level pollution. It plays a critical role in sustaining rivers during dry seasons and supports millions of rural communities through wells and boreholes. Yet groundwater is not invincible. Over-extraction, poor regulation, and lack of recharge can lead to falling water tables, land subsidence, and long-term depletion that may take decades to reverse. So which is more sustainable? The answer is not as simple as choosing one over the other. Sustainability depends on how water is managed, not just where it comes from. Surface water can be sustainable when protected watersheds, controlled pollution, and climate-aware planning are in place. Groundwater can remain sustainable when extraction rates respect natural recharge, and when aquifers are carefully monitored and protected. The most resilient approach lies in integrating both sources. Using surface water during wet periods while allowing groundwater to recover, protecting recharge zones, and applying tools like GIS and remote sensing to monitor usage can create balanced water systems. This integrated strategy reduces pressure on a single source and increases resilience to climate change. In a world facing growing water demand and increasing climate uncertainty, smart water management is no longer optional, it is essential. Understanding the role of both groundwater and surface water helps communities, policymakers, and individuals make informed choices that protect water for future generations. What do you think, groundwater or surface water is more sustainable in the long run? Type agree if you think balance is the key. Interesting if this changed your perspective. Or share your thoughts in the comments and give this post a like if water sustainability matters to you. Support 𝐒𝐮𝐞 Geospatial Solutions.